Happy day, my dear kids. Hope you all revised chapter 1 and 2 for periodic test. Now we are going to continue with chapter 3, length.
Measuring lines. How to measure a line? Look at the given image. We can measure the length of AB with a ruler. Already a ruler is given with 15 centimeter. The letter A and B is denoted with some point. We have to measure the length of AB using the ruler. This point starts with the origin 0 and it goes on continuing and ends with the point 5. So the length of AB is 5 centimeter. It starts from 0 and ends with 5. Then the length of AB is 5 centimeter. 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Hope you are clear. AB is 5 centimeters long. Next, how will you find the length of CD? Look at here. Again, 15 centimeter ruler is taken. From this ruler, a point is started with the number 3 and the line continues and ends with the point 10. The length of the line CD is 10 centimeter? No. We have to calculate from here. 3 to 4 is 1 centimeter, 4 to 5 is 2 centimeter, 5 to 6 is 3 centimeter, 6 to 7 is 4 centimeter, 7 to 8 is 5 centimeter, 8 to 9 is 6 centimeter, 9 to 10 is 7 centimeter. So from 3 to 10, the length of CD is 7 centimeter. To find this using subtraction method, the ending point is 10 and the starting point is 3. If you subtract these two values, then you get the length as 7 centimeter. Hope you all clear. Therefore, CD is 7 centimeters long. Which is longer here? AB or CD? AB is 5 centimeter and CD is 7 centimeter. So, which is long here? CD is long. How much longer can you say? AB is 5 and CD is 7. Subtract these two values, which means 7 minus 5 equal to 2. CD is 2 centimeter longer than AB. How will you measure EF? The point starts with E and it goes on continuing as a curve and ends with F. So we cannot measure directly using scale. For that purpose, we have to use a string on top of EF. We have to use the string and measure it. The string ends up to this. So after marking the string from starting and ending point, we have to use the ruler to measure the string now. Now measure the string using the ruler. Then we will get the length of EF. We have to mark it like this. Using the pencil we have to mark it and cut using the scissor. After cutting it, we have to keep the string on the scale to measure the length. Now the length of the string is 0 to 11 centimeter after measuring it. Hope you are clear. Starting point E should be started with the origin of the scale 0 and ends up to 11 centimeter of the scale. So the length of the string is 11 centimeter. You have to write here as 11 centimeter. Hope you are clear, children.
Any object that can be measured using a scale only. Hope you all understood the concept of length chapter. If you want to see the videos of length chapter, subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos from playlist of this channel. Thank you, my dear kids.